Okay, back to my normal game. You'll see a bunch of differences in this one than the previous video. One of the things I got was the stick and this Warhammer, so I'm a little bit stronger. I'm going to sell these insect crushers. Since they're smaller, the pirate sword, the master sword, fire staff. I don't need any of this stuff. So I've got more money. My first buy, I think, is going to be for 30,000. Let's see, what do you got for me? Yeah, I'll put that there, just in case I'm in a tough spot. For 30,000, you can change your abilities. Alright, so Chapter 1, Dungeon 7. I'll explain that. That's your helmet, basically, your character. So, yeah. Let's see, let's go ahead and put my air jacket on, Jumpman suit. We got nothing. I don't know if I should drop this down here or break it, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop it down. I can always break it later. Nothing up here. There's a weird little zombie dude. Neat. Alright. Come here, little man. So I guess the box is not needed here. That's really weird. Are there any secret areas? That's it. No. What is this? Yeah, I feel like I should have hit a secret area. But whatever. Moving on. If I miss one, I'll come back. Oh, that's what the box is for, to go here. So that's the secret area. Come on. Secret area discovered. Die. Okay, so can't seem to get in there, which is not good. I don't like that spider, but okay. Moving on, I'll go back for it later. It might not even be a secret area, it might just be a place. Can I go on top of that? I think I might just have some item or something. Alright, let's go here. Oh. Jumping, jumping, jumping. The problem with these Warhammers is they have absolutely no range, too. It's that far every time. Another secret area discovered. So, yeah, I guess I'm missing that secret area. We'll go back for it here in a second. Alright. We'll see. Who knows? I might finish this and it might say how the secret areas. Dun 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 dun. Nope, 2 of 3. So, yeah, I'll skip ahead to that. Okay, here we are. Secret area. No? Nothing? Man, I'm slacking. I was wrong about the secret area being down here. And I did not get all three, Why can I not jump? Does this thing hinder my jump that bad? No, it just increases my armor, that's it. I should still be able to jump up the roof. Ugh. I could barely jump. Alright. Secret area discovered. There we go. There's actually two secret areas like right on top of each other. Oh my gosh. Didn't see that spider on there. So yeah. Very much ignore this episode. Need another. There we go. All three died. I'm just leaving. Get me out of here. I got the secret areas and the diamonds. What more do you want from me? Oh, a bonus level. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take off this armor. Switch my weapons. Because looks like speed is up this here. Alright, so now let's try the Jumpman suit. Oh, I died. Good enough. Might as well just add it to the list of failures this episode. Game over. Alright. But I got the diamonds and the money from that. Just game overs you a few. And bonus level, you still make the money and everything. It's really good. So yeah.